Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove language switcher from the taskbar on Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click Time and Language, click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Check Let me use a different input method for each app window, check Use the desktop language BAT when it's available. Click Language Bar Options. Check Hidden, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.